I will be using the book Meg Wants a Pet Chick. It's from the Piney Pals decodable book series. If you don't have this book, no problem. Remember, you can use any decodable book that focuses on short vowel E. I'm going to be saying some words. I want you to use your ears and I want you to listen very carefully because each of these words is going to have the same sound, and I want you to tell me what that sound is. I will say the word, you will echo. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Hen, Meg, pet. What sound was the same in each one of those words? You're right. You heard eh. Let's grab our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make the eh sound. Put your mirrors up to your mouth and say eh. Did you notice that when you made that sound, your mouth was open and it was smiling? Let's try it again and look. Eh. Now, I want you to put your hand on your throat. And when you're making that sound, I want you to see if you can feel a vibration. Let's do it together. Here we go. Eh. Did you feel that? So did I. That means that it's a voiced sound. So we know when we make the eh sound, our mouth is open and it's smiling, and it's a voiced sound. Go ahead and put your mirror away. Now I want you to use your eyes. I want you to look very carefully as I write some words on the board. And I want you to be able to tell me what letter is the same in each one of these words. H, E, N. M, E, G. P, E, T. What letter is the same in each of these words? Oh, that's right. You are so smart. It is the letter E. Now, E is a vowel. So let's look a little more closely. What letter comes after vowel E? I see an N, a G, and a T. Those are all consonants. So when you have vowel E and a consonant right after it, that E is going to make the short vowel sound and it's going to say eh. Today, we will be focusing on short vowel E. Let's read these words. Are you ready? Hen, Meg, pet. When you read the book, Meg Wants a Pet Chick, you're going to have many chances to see the short vowel E. Remember, you're going to read that letter as eh. And our mouth is open and smiling, and we know it's a voice sound. Thank you so much for joining me today, and remember, you've got this.